going to draw a Shamrock folding surprise.
And we hope you're really excited to follow along with us. This is a really fun lesson. And we're using our markers to draw and color with, but what can our art friends use?
Anything you have at home.
Yeah, or in the classroom. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. First, let's take our paper and we're gonna fold it in half. Take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge. And when it's all lined up, I like to crease it down the middle and then out to the corners. Can help hold it. Oh, wait, almost there. Almost there. We got a corner on this side over here, over there. Okay, ready. Oh, hold on. Wait.
Oh well.
Yeah, it's close. Yeah,
Oh.
you do it. Yeah, there
Oh.
we go. Okay, now we're gonna take that part. It was challenging. We're gonna take the top flap, line it up with the top edge, and then maybe it's just easier to squish it down and then go out that way. Nice. Then we're gonna flip our paper over, line it up again, and fold that down. Get right on the corners. Oh, it's getting away from you.
Stop running away.
Stop running away.
There.
There we go. This is just a guide fold. So we're gonna unfold that one, flatten it out so it's easier to draw on. And then we're gonna flip our paper back over. When we're all done, it'll open up from the top.
Hi, how's your day?
We're also using scratch paper because we're drawing with markers. Yeah, we got green paper this time to match St. Patrick's Day.
Woo.
Now we're ready to draw with our markers. We're gonna draw the eyes above the fold and the mouth below. So first, let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. I'm gonna draw them right above the fold, just barely above it. Yes, there's one and another one. Then we're gonna draw our famous little highlight.
Famous.
Yeah, famous.
So famous.
It's what we always. We're gonna add the little highlight and then draw or color in the big circle, but leave that little one white. This makes the eyes shiny and also friendly.
So friendly.
Yeah. Now let's draw the mouth. I'm gonna draw a straight line across. We're gonna turn it into a happy mouth. And then we're gonna draw this big smile underneath. So our shamrock is smiling. Then we're gonna draw the tongue inside and we can color in the top part. Okay, now we're ready to draw the outside of our shamrock. And I like that you drew the eyes closer together. That might actually make it easier. But we're gonna draw, let's draw a guide point. I'm gonna draw a guide point right here. And then we're also gonna draw a guide point right here next to the eye and over here next to that eye. Yes, okay, we're gonna draw the top of a heart. We're gonna draw it curving up, around, and we also wanna look like we're gonna come back in. Yours is perfect. And we're gonna draw the other side to match. Yes. Now we're gonna come down here and actually draw the stem. So let's draw 2 lines. We're gonna draw coming down and then another one coming down and curving. I got a little wider towards the bottom and then we can connect those together. Yes, okay, now we're gonna add another guide point. We're gonna measure with our eyes and try to get halfway in between and halfway in between over here too. Okay, then we're gonna draw a big oval that comes around, or big letter C, oval. And then we're gonna do the same for the bottom. So this is our 3rd leaf. We're gonna do the same. Oh, that's a big one. And then we're gonna come around and then back in. That's our clover. Okay, now we're ready to open it up and flatten out the fold so it's easier to draw. Okay, now we're ready to draw the inside, the folding surprise. We're gonna draw the bottom one. See how it's half missing now because it's up here? We're gonna draw the eyes. I'm gonna draw different eyes. So these ones are upside down, letter U's. so that we change it from the top one. Oh, that's awesome. Now we're going to add the guide points back in. So let's add one here in the middle, and then we're going to add one right next to the eye and next to the eye over here, just like we did for the top one. Then we're going to add those same leaves back in. So we'll draw the big one curving around, and then we're going to draw it connecting in over here. So we draw a big upside down letter U. And then another one. Yeah, and then the same thing. Like how big you went up. How far you went. Yeah.
It needs to be a roller coaster.
Yeah, it does. It does look like a roller coaster. Okay, there's our bottom clover. Next, we're gonna add a pot of gold that's hidden in between the two clovers. So first, let's draw a straight line right above the fold. So, oh yeah, yours is really far up. I like it. Then we're gonna draw another one right below that one. This is for the lip on our cauldron or pot. And then we're gonna connect the sides. Then we're gonna draw it curving down and going behind the clover. So you're gonna draw a big, you can imagine it going behind the leaf. Yes, and then coming out here and connecting up to there. I'm gonna draw this side. Mine's covered up a little bit more than yours. So then we can draw what's needs to go inside.
Gold.
Gold coins. We're gonna draw ovals. We can draw them this size. I'm gonna just mix them up. You don't have to draw them exactly like me. So I'm gonna draw them like this. Oh, I love how small you're drawing them. And I'm gonna overlap them. You could also, a lot of times we just like drawing a cloud line or a bumpy line on top. That would make it a little bit easier. I'm gonna go ahead and draw a bunch of these gold coins sticking out of the top of our pot. That part we sped up, so pause the video if you need extra time to finish your gold. Now let's finish this clover. We're gonna draw the mouth on this one. I'm gonna draw a crazy one. I'm gonna draw a smile. We wanna make sure that we draw this below the fold. We don't wanna go over the fold so that it stays hidden. Then I'm gonna draw a crazy mouth, and you could change yours. It doesn't have to be the same as mine. And then I'm going to color in this part. It's a little tongue. Okay, next we need to finish the leaves for this clover. So first, let's draw right here. We're gonna draw the stem. Well, mine's hidden, and yours probably is too. So let's just draw a guide point right here and a guide point over here to match. Yes, then we're gonna finish the leaf by curving around and then into the pot. And then the same thing on this side. Oh, that's awesome. You added the leaf coming back up and the stem. Mine's covered up, so I'm gonna leave it off. Now we're all finished drawing. What do we still need to do?
Color.
Yeah, color. We're gonna use a lot of green. This part will fast forward, but you could also add more things to the folding surprise on the sides. That would be really cool too.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Olivia, we did it! We finished coloring our shamrocks, our folding surprise. And they turned out awesome, especially like that little guy. I always want to squish your guys' drawings.
I want to squish your head. It's gold.
All right, should we show our friends inside?
Yeah.
Okay, count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy Halloween!
No, it's St. Patrick's Day.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Merry
Happy
Christmas.
Snow! It's St. Patrick's Day.
I thought it was Christmas.
No, it's not.
Uh-oh.
Now you guys can pause the video to match our same coloring, or like we mentioned, you can color any way you want and add different things. And what did we add?
A rainbow.
Yeah, we added a rainbow that goes behind everything. It turned out really cool. I love this drawing.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And we hope you take extra time to color your drawings and add more things to the inside. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.